All right, what is the weirdest way to get people to sign up and be members and affiliates in LiveGood? What is the weirdest way? Is there something weird? Is there a method, a technique? Is there a trick that you do? I really don't know. I think my number one way is doing videos. And what's weird about them is I guess I pick my nose like this and you guys don't even notice. So I do most of my, oh, nope, I go like this. See, I recruit. I make these little business cards. They say joincory.com. I get them on Vistaprint for like $25 for a big old box. It'll last me a year. And if someone brings up LiveGood on a street level, I just give them a card and say, "Look, let's not talk about LiveGood. I don't want to talk about nothing. Let's talk about anything except LiveGood. I want you to watch the video." But when I do a video like this and my nose itches or I have a little bug, I go like this. And you guys can't even notice. It's like, okay, guys, well, thanks for coming to my video. And then I hide it in my ear. All right. Now, little kids, I go like this. All right. Not me. Oh, whoops. I got to hide. Yeah. To me, I like to secretly hide when I itch, and really I do itch because when you have a little beard like this, you tend to itch now and then, but you put this beard oil on and it makes you sexy. It's kind of like a nice little coconut oil and it just smells great and you pet yourself. Okay. But sometimes when you have a little beard and a mustache, some ladies, depending on your appearance. Do you have a mustache like me? Is there any ladies out there, like bearded ladies in the circus? Okay. So yeah, here's the weirdest thing I do. Just cover your nose. Go like this. Now twist. Wink, 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 wink. And then don't look at it. And then hide it in your ear. Okay. That's what I do. That's the weirdest tip and thing I do to get signups. Every time I do a video that features me picking and a grinning, I usually get a sign up. Because whenever someone signs up in my group, I go, "How'd you find me?" And if they say, "Oh, I saw one of your YouTube videos," I go, "Which one?" Then I go back and I fast forward, and guess what I do? It's always me going like this. "Okay, guys, thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. And I'll tell you what, next time, if you have any questions, just get to Cory at CoryDraper.com. Oh, and then, I got to put in and then we'll talk and have a fun time talking about the weather. Okay. I'm not kidding you. The more I screw off, I wish that the more serious and I have to dress up and get a haircut and have your wall with a plant so it looks like I'm in the lobby of a dental office or some mortgage company, okay? Guys, the more entertaining your videos are, and I mean being real, if you want to sit on your backyard or if you just live in a little studio apartment and you have a car, go sit in your car, turn the dome light on with notes. Okay, or if you don't even have a car or an apartment, let's just say you live underneath the bridge in a Chevy van. Okay, open up your Chevy van, and I don't know, sit, and just show everyone your tree that you live underneath. I mean, just be interesting. Be honest. If you're broke and don't have a lot of money, tell people in your video. Go, "I'm going to do the best I can to try to earn money, guys. I'm going to show you that even with little amounts of money, I'm going to succeed." And if you have a little bit of extra money and you can put some crazy weird things on your wall, great. If you can afford to upgrade maybe your appearance, and I mean like someone helps you with a webcam, all right? Or what's the best cell phone? The one you have, okay? Try to learn how to do selfie mode videos where you can talk for a few seconds and upgrade it or upload it on TikTok or Instagram. Or maybe if you do video like I do, I like to do it this way. Okay, that way you can see my background a little bit. I'm not a real big fan where it's just my big fat face where my boogers might be showing or something weird, but I'm a big fan of I don't know if you call it long tail. I know there's long tail leads and tags and stuff, but I like my videos to be 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I do some that are longer if I'm doing a training or a seminar type Zoom meeting, but if you look at the 3,000 to 4,000 videos that I have on my YouTube channel, my comfort level where I think you guys can get to know me, maybe have a little bit of humor, not be so like join, and money, 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 and try to scare you into joining or your pants are going to fall off. Okay. I don't do that. If I do a business and I believe in it, I'm in no rush. And I don't want you to be in a rush. If you have some money or a credit card or a debit card, if you got $49.95, let's get you in LiveGood now as an affiliate and a member. Then you pay $10 a month. If you have $139.39, let's get you locked in for a year. You're a member for a year and you're an affiliate for that $40 one-time fee. Guys, the next year, let's just have fun and learn how to do a video if you want. And if you don't want, do not worry about it. Okay, let's get you emailing. Let's get you posting on social media. And let's just get real good at doing exactly what I'm going to show you. Guys, hi. I would like you to go to joincory.com. And if you want to email me, there it is on my card. Okay, Join Cory is going to take you to this capture page. And I want you to watch that little video. And if you want to join or get more info, just put your name and email in there and click that orange button. And then you're going to get a Live Good video or email. Okay, and then just open it up. And you can join from there, get a username, password, all right, and pick some products out if you'd like. Okay, but go to the Live Good website. It's pretty good. It's pretty cool. Okay, we have a lot of products, guys. All right, we got 50, 60. I'd have to count right now. But click the little white rectangle buttons there. It'll give you information, ingredients, how much. Your shipping is always determined before you even purchase anything. You got 3 months to try any of these products. Any of them. Okay? So get excited, guys. This is a very easy system. I think, in my opinion, this is based on where you invite people to watch videos. Because if you try to overanalyze and have meetings all the time and do all this old school stuff, people zone out. Okay? People appreciate where you just kind of, as my daddy would say, sheet or get off the pot. And that means, hey, you know what? If you're sitting on the toilet for an hour and you have a ring around your ass, get off. There's someone else that might need the toilet. But in this case, joincory.com, it seems to work really well. I hope you can get a nice domain name like from GoDaddy and just have GoDaddy for free. Forward it to the capture page you're going to have. You're going to have this exact page, guys, with the blue shirted dude. You can put whatever you want in the middle. And people are going to watch that little video there, a YouTube video produced by the company. It's outstanding. I've signed up well over 400 people. I'll have over 500 people personally signed up. Probably by summer, maybe the end of summer. All right, in the next handful of months. All right, I'll bring in another 50 to 100 people, all by doing exactly what I'm showing you guys. I just say, hey, click this. Okay, go here, watch that video, put your name and email address in. Let's get you more information, or you're going to get a nice email to join. Okay, that's all I do, guys. The less I do, the more fun I have on a video or being a smartass on a post on social media. It seems to work, and isn't that nice? Because I think a lot of people don't want to have to be a scientist or look like a doctor with a haircut that looks like it's slicked back with Brill cream, and you don't want to have a boring background where it looks like you're in prison or in a lobby of a mortgage company. Okay? Show your personality. Talk a little bit about your hobbies. People join people at the end of the day. The reason I get 400 signups, and usually if you want to sign up with me, is if you do watch this video or watch me on Facebook, there's no doubt that you know exactly how I am. My hobbies, my interests, my humor, how much I believe in Live Good, because I post about it all the time, guys. All right, my 2-year anniversary is April of 2025, so about a month or two. I can say I've been doing this 2 years, okay? I didn't sign up 400 and something people by accident. It's by doing exactly this. Inviting people to click something, to watch something, and that's it. Okay? All right, well, thanks for your time. Looks like I'm nearing the 9-minute mark, and that's a good, comfy amount of time. It's just right, okay? So let's get you going, all right? I'd love to get you in my group. I'm going to send you a nice email. Remember my contact info, Cory at CoryDraper.com. On Facebook, you'll find me. Just inbox me there, okay? And other than that, bookmark my YouTube channel, and that's it. So peace and love, guys. I'll do the little peace sign twice. How about that? Yeah. All right. Thanks for your time. Okay. Nah, I'll talk to you later. You know me. Okay. See you guys. Bye.